Today I'm going to show you a couple tricks to keeping your towels nice and nicely folded. When you buy new towels, they always have tags on them. Usually it's the fabric content tag or something like this. Sometimes it's the brand tag. I always cut them off because I can't stand tags. So there's a right side of the towel and the wrong side of the towel, and the way you know is how this seam is finished. So the wrong side is the sewn down part of the seam. So the best way to do it is to fold it in half. Fold it in half again, and then fold it in thirds. It looks so pretty in your linen closet when they're all folded like this and stacked up neatly. Thanks for watching. If you have a minute, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can check out Northwest Home Coach on Instagram or Facebook as well, and we'll see you next time.